All right, day has arrived. We just picked our trailer and hooked it up. Basically, we're gonna try our luck down the road. So this is the trailer from the outside. I'll have a video on all the options that we went with, but for right now, we're just gonna try get home safe. So one of the things we had to do, we had to replace the brake. We actually had to add a brake controller and a six-prong plug because the one system that we had would not work for this. In other words, the brakes wouldn't work. So we thought it was important to have the brakes when the trailer weighs as much as the SUV. So that's one of the things we did in the last minute before we actually picked up the trailer. We had to get the brake controller and that wiring system done. So gonna grab some lunch, and then we'll see how this drives. Just added extended mirrors. I've not used those before. We'll see how that works. Hopefully they stay on. So that's our setup. 20-foot rock solid trailer to go. All right, made it home. More surprising than anything else was that the SUV made it. I didn't think the trailer was going to be bad, but the little SUV did a great job, and we just made it home. So I'll have more details about our trip, but after 500 miles in 2 days, just glad to be home. So we'll be going through what we did, what upgrades we did, and what you should perhaps do, just kind of our version of things. But just to report, we're home safe. 500 miles, first 500 miles in the trailer. So thanks for watching.